We at the OCMX are pleased to list Plantform Corporation. Plantform Corporation is a Canadian biotech company with an innovative low-cost manufacturing system for a wide range of plant-made pharmaceuticals. Their patented molecular farming platform, Vivo Express, uses tobacco plants to produce high-quality monoclonal antibodies and therapeutic proteins for the treatment of cancer, HIV and AIDS, and other devastating diseases. With production costs approximately 1/10 of the cost of mammalian cell systems, Vivo Express is their solution to the rapidly rising global demand for more affordable biopharmaceuticals. Here to discuss this opportunity is Plantform Corporation's CEO, Dr. Don Stewart.
Plantform is in the business of making life-saving medication more affordable and more accessible to patients in need. We use a tobacco plant system to produce drugs at 1/10 of the cost of traditional manufacturing. This allows us to introduce biosimilar drugs and other drugs that are important for diseases in mankind. Plantform's primary focus is on the development and production of medication, like both protein and antibody drugs. We do this using a tobacco plant system called Vivo Express. The technology was licensed from the University of Guelph, and in a fully contained environment, we can produce drugs that are equivalent to standard pharmaceutical producing, but at much lower cost. Our management team is one of the greatest strengths of our company. As the CEO, I bring 35 years experience in the biopharmaceutical industry to the table, and I've brought into the company two of my other colleagues, Doug Cosser and Craig Binney, as our directors of research and development. On the finance side, we have Ron Hoskin, who's very experienced in licensing and finance with large pharma, J&J, and startups, and is also a board member of a company that was successfully sold for over $800 million very recently. The opportunity that Plantform is addressing is the biosimilar drugs. The anticipated market is expected to be $35 billion by the year 2020. Our lead product, which is a biosimilar version of the important breast cancer drug Herceptin, currently has sales of $7.5 billion, and we expect to capture up to 1/3 of that market, so possibly up to $2.5 billion in sales with a marketing partner. The competitive advantage that we're bringing comes from our Vivo Express platform. We have a system that produces drugs at 1/10 of the cost of standard manufacturing, so cost of goods is important. In addition, the capital requirement to build facilities is only 1/5 of the standard amounts. We have a system that has fast turnaround in the development path, fast turnaround in manufacturing, and allows for the production of some drugs that can't be made by other systems. Our company has achieved success in 3 different areas. First, in the production of a biosimilar version of the Roche breast cancer drug Herceptin. We've manufactured this in a full-scale facility in the US and demonstrated equivalence of our drug to the Roche name brand drug. In a second area, we've submitted 6 different families of patents protecting our technology and our methods of manufacturing. And finally, we've validated our platform by receiving significant funding from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to work on an HIV/AIDS project. Plantform wishes to provide a significant return for our investors. This is one of our primary objectives. In the shorter term, in the 2 to 3 year period, we expect a 5-fold increase in value of the company on completion of phase 1 clinical trials. 2 years after that, in 5 years from now, potentially we have a 25-fold lift in the value when we complete phase 3 clinical trials. We'll provide an exit for our investors through a trade sale of the company or by listing on a public market.
Interested investors should visit Plantform Corporation's listing page on the OCMX.com.